It's a rainy day today. So today we are actually going to venture out in the car. We're getting gas right now. But we're going to venture out in the car to IKEA because we need a dresser. And we also need to just explore the IKEA here because we've never been to a Japanese IKEA. This will be, I guess, like a crash course in driving in Japan, off base. So if you're watching this, it means we survived.
It's 30, I'm going 50.
Kirby Garden. You might think we're at IKEA. We took a wrong turn and ended up at the mall that's like 3 blocks away from the base.
So we are going 10 kilometers over the speed limit because I'm having a really hard time getting it down to 50. And all these cars are like zipping by us. We have someone on our butt. I'm like, I can't speed too much. I'll get in trouble. What does the sign mean? I just think it's so cool. Like, I don't know what it is, but I like it. Okay, we made it to IKEA. This was a very scary drive. The whole trip probably took us about an hour because yeah, like some of the roads were really crazy. Like there was like a 3 or 4 lane highway that was like 50 kilometers per hour, which I think is like 30.
Yeah, it was really bad and everyone was zooming past us, but we would have gotten stopped if there had been a cop.
We had to go through 4 tolls on the way, and we don't have an ETC card reader, but honestly I think we're probably going to end up getting one because every time we'd come up to one, the ETC card reader thing would scream at us that there was not an ETC card in it. That happened like 3 or 4 times on our way here. Alright, here we go. Our first potential purchase. Pretty darn cute. I really love these lamps. I want these lamps so bad. Can we have these lamps? What? Dang. Not even a thought. These lamps are for sale, Belly. Finally found what we came here for. Which one will we pick? It's a mystery.
6.5 hours later.
And here she is. This is what we have decided to go with. We're hoping it fits. There's parking here. You just put your stuff down and you go inside and get food. So we ended up getting the kare. This is meatless kare. I meant to get the one with the meat on top, but I didn't know how to order it. So luckily this was only $2.99. This slice of kebab pizza was how much?
I think like $1.99.
Okay, nice. We got this thinking it was ginger. We're not 100% sure what it is. Jackie's gonna experiment for us.
I have no idea what that is.
It's a mystery, but it was like 80 cents.
It's very sour.
Oh, really? Oh, maybe it's pickled plum.
Oh, maybe.
And then we got some pumpkin soup and then a water for 80 yen. So the whole thing ended up coming out to about $10. What's your favorite?
The soup.
The soup?
Yeah, my list goes soup, curry, and pizza. And then like this isn't even on.
Yeah, we cannot figure out what this is. We both have eaten it before, but we couldn't figure out what it was. So if anyone knows, please let us know. But my favorite is the pizza, then the curry and pumpkin soup are tied for me. They have this tropical fruit pancake, and I really wanted it, but I had no idea what this was. So I guess I could figure it out really fast. Alright, banana, pineapple, mango sauce. I regret not buying this now. It looks like that. What are we looking at here?
Woody and then Spider-Man.
That is adorable. And look, they have a whole bunch hanging from the ceiling. It's touching everything. Oh, this one's real nice. The light section is my absolute favorite section. It's always so shiny. Ooh, what'd you find?
It's the lantern, but I was thinking if we put it here, instead, and we put a plant in it.
Have we made a decision yet if we want this one?
Yeah.
I take it that decision is no?
Yeah.
Well, dang. Got like this one. It fits. It looks real cute. Oh, this one's real pretty. Wow, I like this one a lot. They also have this one that looks like little hearts. We got a little bit distracted. Look at all these plants. And then I also have these that we need to figure out how to pick up. I'm very confused. But we also have that. This is easily gonna be like $1,000. Very easily, and I genuinely don't know if our credit card is ready for that or not. So the ticket as it is here is called the Circular Hub, and it is way, way bigger. Trying not to like get anyone in the photo, but like that's not possible. So much bigger. But yeah, so we found this for $10 cheaper in there, and this we found for like $5 cheaper. So we just checked out, and now we are waiting on this, and it's in this little section up there, and if you look way up there you can see our number, and when it turns green we know we can come pick it up. I guess it's because it's too heavy to carry in the store, but do you guys want to take a guess on how much we spent? I'll give you a clue.
You don't need to know.
Our receipt is this long. Take a guess. Are you horrified by the number? Me too. Yeah, we did not come to play today. We are very broke now. But yeah, this is a parking garage, and it has 3 floors. I think that all IKEAs should have a 3-floor garage attached to them. Hello, car. I'm going to the wrong side. Alright, we're really hoping everything's gonna fit, because otherwise we're in danger. Oh, we're not okay? Is that as far as it goes? Let me check. Are you okay driving like that?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay, this will work then.
Okay.
Holy cow, we did it. Alright, the car is packed. We keep testing this thing to its limit. You look incredibly comfortable.
I'm very uncomfortable.
Are you really?
Yeah.
So we bought a carpet today, and we can now say that an 8x10 fits inside.
This is a 9x10.
Oh, and I'm sorry, a 9x10 fits inside of a Nissan Note. Dang! That's at least like 400 pounds, maybe 300 pounds of furniture. We can do this. It broke. Let it be known that we got our workout in today. So we got to fix just enough to carry the rest of that stuff up. Everything else we carried up by and give us a few minutes to like change our clothes and stuff before we show you what we got. We got super lucky today as we made it just in time to beat the really heavy rain. First thing we got was a new front door rug because it's all cute and it's an actual rainbow. That was our original that just made its debut literally today. And this is our new one so that everyone knows that we are gay. We bought that bag. I really wanted this in the US and it was $5 in the US, but it's only $2 here. So I happily grabbed it. Alright, I got this neat little thing. It lets me put the laptop on it because the MacBook gets really hot. For the bathroom, oh my god. We got this box for $4.99. And then these cute little jars to go with it, and they were $5 off. We got this neat little bowl for our centerpiece. We got this thing for our outside table. It holds a candle. You can either do a fake candle, but we got real candles, cherry flavored. They smell really good. These cute pink cactuses. No one needed these, but here they are. It's all of the plants with their respective pots. I need to fan that one out. The ivy goes in there. That guy goes in the gold. That guy. The bamboo in there. And this guy is all on his own. Oh wait, no, he has a pot. I think it's just out there. We need to go get it. Yeah, we got these chairs for $10. No,
this one was $12.90.
What? They were different prices. On a side note, we could not find the tree. So I don't know what we're gonna do with this. Wow. Oh, I'm Owen Wilson.
How?
Yeah.
I just gotta like take the sticker off of it, but it's fine.
Okay. So yeah, that was everything we bought from IKEA. The price was astronomical. We've already received our household goods, but we haven't put out the video yet, obviously. So once we get that set up and the house looks pretty, that will be coming out hopefully next week, but you'll know when it's coming. Okay.